Your results don't depend only on training.
They depend on what you eat every day. First, protein, the foundation of muscle growth. Protein, the foundation of muscle growth. Chicken breast, lean, high protein, low fat.
Eggs, complete protein with essential amino acids.
Salmon, protein plus healthy omega-3 fats.
Lean beef, rich in protein, iron, and natural creatine. Greek yogurt, great for recovery and digestion.
Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram.
Carbohydrates, your main energy source.
Rice and oats fuel intense workouts. Sweet potatoes and whole grain pasta boost performance.
Bananas are perfect before or after training.
Healthy fats support hormone production. Avocados and olive oil improve muscle growth. Almonds and peanut butter add healthy calories. Almonds and peanut butter add healthy calories. Add fast carbs like bananas or white rice. Eat 4 to 6 meals daily. Stay consistent. Drink water. Track your calories carefully.
To grow muscle, stay in a calorie surplus. This means eating more calories than you burn to fuel muscle repair and growth.
Train hard. Eat smart. Sleep well.
For a quick tip, combine squats with hydration. This powers your workout and speeds up recovery. Follow for more Finnish nutrition tips.